Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Release TV channel. Your go-to spot for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mazda 3. A compact car that's redefining style, performance, and technology. The 2025 Mazda 3 is making waves in the compact car segment, and for good reason. With its sleek design, premium materials, and refined driving dynamics, this vehicle is perfect for anyone who wants more than just a basic ride. Whether you prefer the 4-door sedan or the sporty 5-door hatchback, the Mazda 3 delivers a perfect blend of performance and comfort. So, what's new for 2025? Let's break it down. First off, Mazda has made some exciting updates to the lineup. The base trim is now available as a hatchback, a feature that was previously only offered on higher trims. That's a win for anyone who loves the versatility of a hatchback but doesn't want to break the bank. Tech lovers, listen up. Mazda has added Alexa voice control to almost every trim, except the base model. Imagine controlling your navigation, climate settings, and entertainment system with just your voice. You can even connect to your Alexa-enabled devices at home. It's like having your personal assistant on board. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Mazda 3 starts at $25,135 for the base model and goes up to $36,985 for the top-tier trim with all the bells and whistles. With trims like the Preferred, Carbon, Premium, and Turbo editions, there's something for everyone. Higher trims come loaded with extras like leather upholstery, a head-up display, and a premium Bose sound system, perfect for those who want a little luxury in their daily drive. Under the hood, the Mazda 3 offers two engine options. The standard 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine delivers 191 horsepower and comes paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. You can choose between front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, depending on your needs. For those who crave more power, there's a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that pumps out 250 horsepower on premium fuel. And yes, manual transmission fans, the 6-speed manual is still available, but only on the front-wheel drive hatchback. So, there you have it. The 2025 Mazda 3. A compact car that's packed with style, tech, and performance. Whether you're looking for a practical daily driver or a car that's fun to drive, the Mazda 3 has you covered.